Shri Shivaji Science College of Amravati. My name is Shweta, class BSc 3rd year 5th sem, subject EVS seminar, group CEB, Department of Environment Science. Seminar topic: Concept, Scope and Environment, Importance of Environment Study. The scope of environment study is a very wide, and it deals with the many area like: first, conservation of natural resources; second, economical importance aspect; third, pollution of surrounding national resources; fifth, controlling the pollution; fifth, social issue concept to it; and fifth, impact of human pollution and environmental. People, what is the concept of environmental study? Environmental study is a multifaceted academic field which systematically study human interaction with the environment. It is a broad field of study that include the natural environment, the built environment, and relationship between them. What is environmental concept and important? An environmental is everything that is around us, which including both living and non-living things such as a soil, water, animal and plants, which adapt themselves to their surrounding. The environmental play an important role in a exist of life on a plant earth. Environmental study help to educated people regarding their duties towards environment protection. It prove basic information about the various environmental issue like energy needs, global climate change, toxic emissions and waste disposal. Pollution, the biggest driving factor of modern environmental education is pollution. Pollution has become a characteristic almost everything: food, soil, our water and land, ocean, which has forced us to the rethink about the environment in its original state. Climate, climate change. People have rewards that are sometimes biggest than a just global warming has started affecting your daily lives. Your these years global warming, the rise is temperature of the atmospheric, it one almost the many change in global climate condition, the every increasing meeting of snow, the consisting drought and extreme floods in any parts of the world, change migratory patterns of birds and behaving of choice organisms are all indicative of plastic climate change. list of environment. First, a clean environment is an absolute necessary for a surviving of all living forms. Second, the government and people sound text from and daily action of a reducing of environment routines. Third, the governmental should make rose to the minutes of effect of industrial meaning and other activities on it. Fourth, the elections make in a good source of separating awareness against the deed of a environment. Fifth, the formation of immediately of a strict law against use of a plastic can play a circular role is a saving. Fifth, we should use a product of recycling material and encourage others to do so. Seventh, we need to understand use of a floral for everything link a being. 8. We should promote of the review source of a allergy link solar allergy and wine allergy. We should really on public transport inside of a people winning as much of possible. 10th, the organic pesticide in a fertilization and helpful for environment production than sweeting presents and freezers. To understand the impact of deviation, environmental study access understanding a current environment promised by a proving knowledge of physical climates, social and social and biological process ignores to be the hidden fact of development resourcing. The unwakable industry growth in a negatively effect of a environment with the diversion globally there is a graph packed in a information of resourcing use me land and wood to be make a business grow out they are a thinking of conduction environmental science without a doubt of a most important field people needs to give accounted with a today the words to put a simply mess when a come to the problems we are facing in your environment global warming air water pollution a violent display of a natural in source of obesity and dissume at a drugs like a extremely of a space all of a problems then your lives every year and every day that is which a science based evidently the documents of a change human action have on a plant need to be the present in a academic world. What are a five types of environment? The almost type of ecosystem including a following and are responsible for a difficult types of environment. Forest ecosystem, reed grassland ecosystem, desert ecosystem, tundra ecosystem, freshwater ecosystem and main ecosystem. What are the five major environment problems? Some of a key issue are pollution, global warming, over pollution, waste disposal, ocean acidification, loss of biodiversity, deforestation, ozone layer depression. Reason why do you need environment solution? In a simple way, natural studies of environmental study are to the learn from about environmental health is a considered by the reducing your impact on it. We have a listen to following reason why should given a best environment study. What are the four cycle of nature? Advertisement. Some of a major biggest cycle on a follows: first water cycle of hydrological cycle, second carbon cycle, and third nitrogen cycle, and fourth oxygen cycle. The produce of an ecosystem takes up a several basis inaugurate natural from a source of living environment. Solution following are a some most of a common solve to the environment issue. Replace disappointed with a resume item. Time used to a paper should be the avoid. Consume water and electricity. Support environmental friendly replace. Reserve in a waste of consuming nature resources. Thank you.